Welcome to my math class. I am Mahmoud Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve some question from Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 Non-Calculator Extended 0580 Variant 2 for examination from 2025. This is a practice paper. We will start doing from question number 19, fx equals to 3x plus 2, gx equals to x squared plus 1, hx equals to 4 to the power x, find a number h3. So hx function is 4 to the power x. So h3 equals to 4 to the power 3. That means 64. We have to write here 64. Number B, find fg1. So at first g1. In g function, if we put 1, it will be 1 square plus 1. That means 2. fg1, that means f2. g1 value is 2, so write here 2. In f function, if we put here 2, it will be 3 into 2 plus 2. 3 to the 6 plus 2 is 8. So it will be 8. Number C, find gfx in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So gfx. So gfx value is here. Fx function is here. 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. Now, this 3x plus 2, we have to put in g function in a state of x. So it will be 3x plus 2 whole square plus 1. So if we break down 3x plus 2 whole square, we'll get here 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 2 plus 2 square plus 1. So it will be 9x square. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12x plus 4 plus 1. It will be 9x square, 12x plus 5. So finally, we have to write here 9x square plus 12x plus 5. Now, find x when fx equals to g7. So fx equals to here 3x plus 2. We have to put 7 in g function. So it will be 7 square plus 1. So 3x plus 2 equals to 7 square means 49 plus 1 is 50. So 3x equals to 50 minus 2, 48. So x equals to 48 divided by 3. So it will be 16. Answer will be 16. Number D completed. Now f inverse x. So we have to write let y equals to fx equals to 3x plus 2. We have to make x as a subject. So we can write 3x plus 2 equals to y. 3x equals to y minus 2. X equals to y minus 2 divided by 3. As we have taken fx equals to y, you can write x equals to f inverse y. You can write it. So instead of x, you can write here f inverse y equals to y minus 2 divided by 3. So finally, you can write f inverse x equals to x minus 2 divided by 3. So it will be x minus 2 divided by 3. Number F, gx by fx is fraction plus x. So give your answer as a single fraction in terms of x in its simplest form. So gx equals to x squared plus 1. Fx equals to 3x plus 2 plus x. We have to do LCM. We'll get here 3x plus 2, x squared plus 1 plus x into 3x plus 2. Now we'll get here x squared plus 1. it is 3x squared plus 2x. So below side 3x plus 2. After that, 3x squared plus x squared means 4x squared. This is 2x plus 1. Below side 3x plus 2. So this is a single fraction, 4x squared plus 2x plus 1 divided by 3x plus 2. So we have to write over there 4x squared plus 2x plus 1 divided by 3x plus 2. Now G number, find x when h inverse x equals to 2. So h inverse x equals to 2. So x equals to h2. Now x equals to, in h function we have to put 2 instead of x. So h function, it was 4 to the power x, it will be 4 squared, that means 16. Therefore x equals to 16, we have to write here 16. Question number 12, the 20. P equals to 2 to the power 10 multiply 3 to the power 8 multiply 7 to the power 5. Write 12p square as a product of prime factors. So we have to write here 12. Instead of p, we can write here 2 to the power 10 multiply 3 to the power 8 multiply 7 to the power 5 square. And 12 we can write as a prime factor. It will be 2 square multiply 3. And we know that this power and that power always multiply. So it will be 2 to the power 20 multiply 3 to the power 8 to the 16 multiply 7 to the power 10, because 5 multiplied 2 is 10. Now, if we remove the bracket, here 2 and 20 as the base, same power will be added in the multiplication time, like e to the power n multiply e to the power m. If you want to write it together, it will be e to the power n plus m. So it will be 2 to the power 20 plus 2, 22, multiply 3 to the power 16 plus 1, 17. It will be 7 to the power 10. So finally, we have to write here 2 to the power 22, multiply 3 to the power 17, multiply 7 to the power 10. So question number 20 completed. Number 21, in the diagram, O is the origin. This is origin. OT equals to 2 TD. And AM is the midpoint of TC. OC equals to, OC vector equals to C vector. And OD vector equals to D vector. This is D vector. Find position vector of AM. Give your answer in terms of C and D in its simplest form. So at first we can write here OT by TD equals to 2 by 1. So if you want to write OT by OD, it will be 2 by 3. This is 2 part, this is 1 part. If I compare OT with the whole one, it will be 2 by 3. So OT equals to, we can write 2 by 3 OD vector. So 2 by 3, OD means D vector, so D. So OT vector we get 2 by 3 D vector. Now TC vector equals to TO vector plus OC vector. TO means negative OT, so it will be minus 2 by 3 D vector, and OC means C vector. Now, what we want? We want M, position vector of M. So OM vector equals to OT vector plus TM vector. So OT equals to 2 by 3 D vector and TM equals to M is the midpoint of TC. M is the midpoint of TC. So Tm equals to half of TC vector. So 2 by 3 D vector plus half into minus 2 by 3 D vector plus C vector. So if we remove bracket, we'll get here 2 by 3 D vector minus 1 by 3 D vector plus 1 by 2 C vector. Both of these subtraction will get 1 by 3 D vector plus 1 by 2 C vector. Finally, we can write 1 by 2 C vector plus 1 by 3 D vector. Okay, question number 21 completed. Now, question number 22. Cube root of y square equals to 6 root of x, y equals to nth root x. Find the value of n. So we can write here cube root of y square equals to 6 root of x. This means y square, it will be power 1 by 3. It is x power 1 by 6. So we have to take both sides cube. So y square 3 into 1 by 3, x 3 into 1 by 6. So this is 2. 3 cancel. So y square equals to x to the power half. You can find x to the power half. So if we find square root, y equals to x to the power half multiply half. Square root means power half. So it will be x to the power 1 by 4. So you can write this is 4th root x. So here n will be 4. Number 22. Rationalize the denominator, giving your answer in its simplest form. If you want to rationalize this, below side we have to omit the square root. How it's possible? Root over 6 plus 1 here, upper side 45. We have to multiply same term but opposite sign. Root over 6 minus 1, root over 6 minus 1. We have to use the formula a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So it will be root over 6 square minus 1 whole square, 45 root over 6 minus 1. So it will be 6 minus 1, 45 root over 6 minus 1. So it will be 45 root over 6 minus 1, 5. 5 and 45 cancel, 9. So it will be 9 into root over 6 minus 1. So finally, we can write 9 bracket root over 6 minus 1. Question number 24. Tan'a plants some seeds. The probability that a seed will produce flowers is 0.8. When a seed produces flowers, the probability that the flowers are red is 0.6. And the probability that the flowers are yellow is 0.3. Tan'a has a seed that produces flowers. Find the probability that the flowers are not red and not yellow. So we know that total probability 1. So from total probability, if we subtract probability of red plus probability of yellow, 1 minus 0.9, we'll get the probability that flowers are not red and not yellow. So it will be 0.1. Number B, complete the tree diagram. It is 0.8, so it will be 0.2. Why? Because total probability 1. 1 minus 0.8 equals to 0.2. So probability of red flowers, produce red flowers probability is 0.6. Yellow is 0.3. And others means 0.6 plus 0.3. Subtract from 1, we will get here 0.1. So tree diagram completed. Number 2, find the probability that a seed chosen at random produce red flowers. So probability of red flowers means 0.8 multiply 0.6. So it will be 48. Decimal come after 2 digits. So 0.48. So we have to write here 0.48. Number 3, when R chooses a seed at random, find the probability that the seed does not produce red flowers and does not produce yellow flowers. So does not produce flowers is 0.2. So at first we have to write here does not produce flowers 0.2. If produce flowers, that flowers are not red and not red flowers does not produce yellow flowers. So 0.8 multiplies 0.1. So we have to write here 0.8 multiplies 0.1. So finally we get here 0.2 plus 0.08. So it will be 0.28. So we have to write here 0.28. Number 3, a C. 2 of the seeds are chosen at random. Find the probability that one produces flowers and one does not produce flowers. So when produce flowers, it will be 0.8 and not produce flowers is 0.2. So when produce flowers, it will be 0.8 and 0.2 is not produced flowers. If not produced flowers at first, 0.2, produced flowers is 0.8. So finally, after calculation, it will be 0.16 plus 0.16, it will be 0.32. So final answer will be 0.32. Question number 25. Y equals to x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed. Find the value of y when x equals to minus 1. So we have to put x equals to minus 1 here, minus 1 to the power 4, minus 4, minus 1 to the power cube. So it will be 1 minus 4 multiplied minus 1. 1 plus 4, that means 5. It will be plus 5. Number 2, we want to find the coordinates of the two stationary points on the graph. If you want to find out the stationary point, you have to do the differentiation. dy by dx equals to 4x over 3 minus 4 3 is 12 x squared. And differentiation equals to 0. Now take common 4x squared. So it will be x minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, 4x squared equals to 0 or x minus 3 equals to 0. So we'll get here x equals to 0 or x equals to 3. Now, when x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Y equals to here x over 4 minus 4x cubed. When x equals to 0, y equals to 0. When x equals to 3, y equals to 4, x over 4 minus 4 x over 3, that means 3 to the power 4 minus 4 3 to the power 3. So we'll get here minus 27. So finally we have to write here 0, 0, 3 minus 27. Number B, we have to differentiate these things. So we can write dy by dx equals to p x over p minus 1 2q x over q minus 1. Now we have to compare this with this differentiation. Here p is here 11, so we have to write here p equals to 11 and 10 equals to 2 cube. So 2q equals to 10, q equals to 5 here. So finally we can write here 11 and 5. So I think everybody understand this maths. This is very simple. You try to complete all this question paper. If you have any confusion, please uh, write down in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.